Welcome everyone. Today we will see how fresh coconut water is made inside a modern factory. The process begins when fresh coconuts arrive from tropical farms. Each coconut is selected carefully. Only the best coconuts continue to production. The coconuts are washed thoroughly to remove dirt and dust. Machines trim the outer layers to prepare the coconuts for extraction. The coconuts are opened carefully, and the natural water is collected.
Fresh coconut water is stored in clean stainless steel tanks. The liquid is filtered to keep it pure and smooth.
Samples are tested to ensure quality, taste, and safety. The coconut water is gently pasteurized to keep it fresh longer. After heating, the drink is cooled quickly before bottling.
Now the fresh coconut water is filled into clean bottles at high speed.
Each bottle is sealed tightly to protect freshness.
Labels are added with product details and branding.
The finished bottles are packed into boxes for shipping. Finally, the product is shipped to stores around the world. From fresh coconuts to refreshing bottles, this is how coconut water is made.